Hey everybody, this is Lucas and Daddy for Lucas Games 264, and we're playing some Skate 3. Luke's a little under the weather today, so you might not feel as funny, but we're gonna jump some ramps. So Luke's playing as Isaac right now, the zombie slayer.
Isaac.
Oh my god. Oh, that was epic. Boom!
Oh my!
That was great. Oh, let's see if we can do that again.
Hit the big ramp.
Wait,
I got an idea. What the?
And nothing.
What? Just happened.
Okay. If that was your idea, that wasn't very good.
No.
Oh, he's gonna cough and all the way down.
Stop coughing.
Oh my god. Oh! And it wasn't as much as we thought it was going to be.
Great.
Coach Frank. Hi, Coach Frank. Thanks, Coach Frank. Oh!
Jeez.
Alright, hit the big ramp. And he's decapitated. Alright, well, the big ramp doesn't seem to be working out, Luke. Alright, Luke, I think you should jump those ramps as a big stake. One more jump with Isaac.
Isaac is my favorite.
I know he's your favorite. I just think it'd be funny to see a big fat stake go over that ramp. And he lands it. Oh! I think you should put a bunch of jars of mayonnaise down there and let him fly into those.
Alright, I will. After I get meat man.
Steak and mayonnaise. Alright. Okay. Now Luke is going to go and jump
Nice
ramps
to meet
as a
you,
big
meat man.
fat steak.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my god, it makes me so hungry. I'm grilling tonight.
Now cook!
Did you say steak? Oh!
You fell.
Coach Frank. Coach Frank says don't be a steak.
Cook.
Medium well. And he grinds. You know, that steak is the best skateboard rider I've ever seen. He's a steakboard rider. And it's a jump steak. Oh, oh. And he sizzles onto the cement.
Oh, I forgot to put mayo.
That's alright. Maybe the steak can jump the big ramp. Oh, no. This seems to be out in California. Oh, decapitation steak. Yeah, that ramp needs to go. We'll have to do another one later. Oh. Yeah, push it over out of the way. Or make it something to jump over. Now how are you going to go over it like that, you goofball?
I can jump that.
You're going to hit it.
I can jump it.
That is the weirdest steak I've ever seen. Now he's going to put something down to jump and fly into. Yes. That is going to be the most epic thing ever. Mayonnaise jars. Because everything is better with mayonnaise. It's too bad they didn't have ketchup and mustard too, Luke.
Wish they did.
Alright. That should at least break the fall. Well, you know, you always need mayonnaise with your steak sandwich. Okay, now let's jump.
No, we need more.
You're going to cause a traffic jam before you ever get any jumping done. okay. I think there's enough mayonnaise now.
Okay, we're good.
We'll never run out of mayonnaise, that's for sure.
Oh, jeez. I'm alive. Wow.
Coach Frank says always put mayonnaise on your sandwich, especially if it's a steak one.
Nice to meet you.
This would be a good Arby's commercial.
Arby's.
We have the meat. And you cleared every bit of that mayonnaise. I cannot believe that. Take that, Coach Frank.
Take that, Coach Frank. Speed is key.
Oh.
Well, I guess you gotta flip it.
Yeah. If I cook steaks tonight, Luke, I'm going to put them on a skateboard.
Oh, jeez.
Mayonnaise!
Oh, he cracked his head.
He doesn't have a head.
He cracked his
He's the
meat.
ass piece of a cow.
He ripped his meat. We're gonna put some more because...
I don't even know what you're looking at there. Okay, one more jump, buddy.
I gotta put some back here because...
All right. We'll take 2 more jumps and then we're gonna end this one, okay? And we'll do some more. We'll do some more later. All right.
Oh, jeez.
Coach Frank says there's never enough mayonnaise to put on steak sandwiches.
If I clear them all, I'm gonna be mad.
You got to get down there first. Like I said. Did you say steak?
Ah!
Here comes the mayonnaise!
Oh!
Well, steak and fire hydrant isn't bad, I guess. Last time. Land in those mayonnaise jars. You rotten steak. Yay! And he's in the mayonnaise.
Still. Let's go get stuck.
Alright. Well, that was Daddy and Lucas for Lucas Games 264. And this was Skate 3 with what they call Meat Man.
And
Isaac. And Isaac, and he's just a big steak. So, we'll be bringing you some more Skate 3. More with the skeleton, more with the steak and Isaac. And remember to subscribe, like, and share. And as always,
thanks for watching.
See ya. Steak.
Still.
Kapow!